Antarctica. A majestic and pristine wilderness at the most southerly point of the Earth. A place so remote and so inhospitable that no human set foot here until 1895. This vast unknown continent captured the imagination of explorers and scientists the world over. But few have ever crossed the notorious Great Southern Ocean to witness firsthand its awesome splendor. But its enticing beauty can be dangerously deceptive. This is the windiest and coldest place on Earth. The early explorers were pushed to the limits of human endurance. Some were never to return. In 1911, the relatively unknown Douglas Mawson led the first Australasian expedition to Antarctica. He was to establish one of the first scientific research and exploration bases on the ice. His achievements were to make him one of the world's greatest Antarctic explorers. The conditions were worse than ever imagined. Mawson had inadvertently chosen one of the windiest and most dangerous places in Antarctica. He was to call this place Home of the Blizzard.